Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate how we can download a trip receipt for the booking that you have made earlier with us. So when you log in, you'll be seeing this screen. Go to, on the left hand side, there's a menu. Go to My Bookings. Let's click it. And let's search for the bookings that we wanted to download or print the receipt. So we can go to the top left hand corner and type in the booking reference number. For example, I want to edit this booking with a reference 00448. After I type in, I'll need to press enter. So let's say this is the trip that we want to look for the receipt. Let's go in. Upon the trip being loaded, look out for the bottom of the trip details. At these sections, you will see some remarks says booking was created on what date and time. So all we need to do is to click this receipt link and it will open up a Stripe payment receipt. So this is how you can retrieve your receipt for the trips that you have booked with PAL. All right, thank you for tuning in and thank you for choosing PAL. That's all for today.